Morning.
Good
Morning guys, and welcome back
to the channel.
So as you can tell from the title of this video, hopefully today we'll be starting cutting the winter barley. Me and Dad are both pretty tired. What we've been doing lately is irrigating these things. It's been so hot, might be too hot. So it's been red hot. It's been 28-30 degrees, and there's no point irrigating in the day because whatever you put on, whatever you irrigate, it's just gonna evaporate in the heat. So we've been doing it at night times, and as you can tell, the difference in the soil colour there in the rows, they've got plenty of moisture now for a couple of days before it rains, because that's why I'm on about cutting the winter barley. It's going to rain Saturday, it might have a bit Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday heavily, and we don't want that, because the ears are just keeling over. It's going down. It's ready, it's fit to cut, and if it rains we could lose a lot, could go on the floor, and yeah, it's not what you want. So I don't think we'll be combining until sort of 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, because there was such a heavy dew last night, which means the moisture comes up and settles in the air as well in the mornings. It makes everything real waxy and real wet, so that'll put the moisture of the barley up, but we shall go check it later on. I've got a few jobs to do first, so hopefully we will rejoin when we're all sorted and set up. Really just got to have a little swim back in this shed and put the elevator in position. Probably some of you realising or why using an elevator, it's a big enough shed just to tip the trailer straight up. In my opinion, I do like using the elevator. It's alright, you can get more in a shed. I ain't buggering about with a forklift and pushing it up. It settles better in the shed if you use an elevator, and to be honest, if I have it flat out like I normally do, I can empty a trailer pretty quickly, which you'll probably see. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll rejoin you later on. Right, so I suppose you can say we've officially started harvest. Now the combine's in the field. We haven't checked the moisture yet. It'll do a couple of rounds and check the moisture. I'm just going back to get the trailer now. So yeah, hopefully you'll rejoin me in the cab. I would like to say first, if the audio for this is bad, I am getting another GoPro, hopefully with an external mic, just to make things a little bit better. Looking at different bits of kit to sort of help the videos do better and try and get to that 1,000 subs. That's where we want to be at. This is my hobby. I do enjoy doing this, and yeah, I just want to see it grow really. So that combine is 20 plus years old. There was some people I've seen on YouTube and even on TV say, oh, the combine's 10 years old now, or 5 years old, we need to change it. That's 20 years old, and since I've been on the farm, I think Dad's had it 10 years, bought it second hand, not brand new. People say they're bomb-proof, but touch wood, and I'm saying touch wood, we run all right this season. Who knows? So you got to put with this bouncy track, typical fen road. Good job we got cab suspension. So yeah, I'll tell you what, there's going to be a lot of bales off this field. There's going to be a hell of a lot of bales off this field because there's a lot of straw. Places have gone a bit flat. There might be a bit of green in there. We haven't sprayed this off. If we'd have sprayed this off with Roundup and killed the crop, we'd have had to wait, I think it's 2 weeks to combine it, and in them 2 weeks with this rain forecasted could have lost no end. So that's why we're going today. So I'll check with Dad in a bit what the moisture is and let you know. Like I said, we were going to check the moisture, but we put it in the moisture meter. So we've serviced the combine, serviced the tractors, checked over the tractors. There's one thing we forgot to check, and I bet you can't guess what it is. The battery in the moisture meter. I've got to go and get a new one. No! Right, so we've tested the moisture on the headlands, which are these bits here, the edge of the field. It was 15, which I sort of half expected that, and so did Dad, because the headlands were still a bit green. But in the field it should be better. We've got to cut it, like I said again. It's going to rain, we've got to bag it, got to get it in the shed. And so yeah, we're going. He's having to cut it from that end that way because it is laying over, so it just picks up on the combine header a lot better if you cut it from one way. So yeah, the old 62 TX62 is working a dream. I mean, just look at this straw on the headland. The sheer amount of straw is unreal. It's not, I've had a look in the straw, there's not a lot coming out the back, there's none in fact coming out the back. So we've got to set it up all right, got the sieves and everything else set up all right, and yeah, let's get cracking. stuck the drone up. Not today anyway, not yet, because I barely get back to the yard, unload, come back here before he's got a tank load. So I ain't really got time, but hopefully when we get in the wheat, and my brother might help, he might come on grain cart, give me a bit more time. Yeah, we ain't going to stick it up today. It would be nice to, but you'll have to make do today. I reckon I need a bit of moisturiser on this face. Got a bit of a suntan going on. I'm only kidding. Here's some drone footage. Just been on the phone to Dad. He reckons minimum we're doing 3.5 ton. Minimum. We've had that many trailer loads. Yeah, it's going well. It don't weigh as heavy, so it won't weigh as heavy on the lorry, but that's Barley for you. And my face continues to get red throughout the day. It's not the biggest of combines, it's a 15-foot header, but I know you see bigger combines on YouTube, other channels with like new combines, but you just can't beat this little one. I mean, we like to keep everything tidy, we like to keep everything neat, and Dad is real proud of that combine. That's why he drives it. He looks after it. You know, I don't really want him sort of shacking about in the tractor and trailer. He belongs in that combine cab because he's an excellent driver. One day, hopefully, I'll be able to get in there and have a go. But for now, I like grain cart. It's fast-paced job. And yeah, it's going well. What they say, once a trailer boy, always a trailer boy. I think that'll about do it today. We've got a couple of acre left to do in this field, then we might drop in the other field, but that's basically the winter barley, hopefully bagged in the next 2 days. For a small combine we can mug along, we can go fairly quick. Don't know what speed he's going at, and asked him. Oh yeah, and if you've noticed in the first couple of minutes of this video, I have changed my t-shirt. Fed Farming t-shirts. If you're interested, I'll get hopefully to 1,000 subscribers, then I will be selling them. That is my plan, that is my aim. If I get to 1,000, I'll be selling t-shirts, hoodies, hats, the lot, you name it. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we look forward to plenty more harvest videos yet to come. There might be a bit of a delay between now and doing the other harvest videos, but hopefully I can do something in between. So yeah, thank you for watching. To watch another video, it's there. To hit the like, it's there. Hit the subscribe there, and ring the little bells, notifications. Right, catch you later. Thanks for watching. Ta.